Hi guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am back at you with another video. So this video is going to be all about my hair. As you can see, I am no longer purple. My hair is now brown. So it's in a, let's see, I did my twist out. I twisted my hair on Friday or Thursday. It was Thursday. I twisted my hair Thursday, and then Saturday I took it out because I had a fashion show and I wanted to do a twist out for the show. So this is let's see, Saturday, a 2-3 day old twist out, and it still looks good. I mean, all I have to do is like fluff and go, and that's always a good thing for me because I don't have to worry about my hair. I hate having to do my hair every morning, and this just works for me. So how did I go from purple to brown and not have a lot of work? Well, it was just as simple. So first off, I want to thank my friends for helping me, because I don't think I would have did this by myself, and I think they knew that. So thank y'all so much for being great friends and helping me change my hair from purple to brown, because y'all know I got all these shows coming up and they ain't gonna let me wear no purple hair in these shows. So thank y'all, love y'all. So first, let me tell y'all the dilemma of me trying so hard to get the right stuff to color my hair, y'all. So first, I had to go and buy color, I had to buy bleach, I had to buy the cream activator for the bleach. Y'all, there is so much that goes into bleaching your hair, and it gets quite pricey after a while. So I want to say my cream activator was like $8, and I got like 32 ounces of it, and I got the Pravana brand, and I'll put that right there because I don't actually have the bottle with me, but it's a Pravana brand 20 volume cream lightener or whatever. Now here's where my dilemma came in, because I really didn't need that much bleach. My hair was already starting to fade, so I didn't need to try so hard to get it lighter to make this copper color stick. So I went to Salon Centric because I am licensed as an esthetician, so I can go in there and purchase products and stuff. And I went in there, picked up the lightener or whatever, and y'all, I forgot to get the bleach. And I'm like, dang it, like I done got all the way back to the shop. I'm thinking, okay, yeah, we're gonna do this today. I'm not gonna have to like worry about my hair. Just go ahead and twist it tonight and have it ready for my show. Well, didn't have the bleach. I didn't have like absolutely nothing to dye my hair with or color my hair with. I didn't have any bows. I didn't have any brushes. I didn't have no combs. Like I was just like SOL for real. So my friend was like, it's okay, I have a bowl and brushes at my house. And you know, I was like, well, you know, I got combs for days because I always do my own hair. So next day we brought all that stuff, and that's when we realized that I didn't get no bleach to actually color my hair. Listen, y'all, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't do hair. I barely do makeup. Mostly it's lashes, doing my own face, and doing my own hair. I don't touch nobody else's head. Like, no, it's just not what I do. So had to run back to the store. I bought the bleach. Well, no, I didn't buy the bleach. So I got to the store, asked the girl at the register where the Pravana bleach was so I could purchase it. And I didn't need like a whole tub of bleach, which is $20, by the way. Just so y'all know, if you want Pravana, the tub of bleach is $19.20, I want to say. So it's $20 for a tub of bleach. Like, no thank you. So asked the lady where the packets were. There were no packets of it. So she was like, okay, well, there's this different brand, because you know you can use any brand with the Activator. Like, it doesn't have to all be the same brand. So she took me around the corner and there was only one pack of this other brand. And she was like looking at my hair, and I'm like, yeah, my hair is thick. Like, it's real thick. So she was like, well, you don't have to use bleach. She was like, you can use a color stripper. And I'm like, a color stripper? What's that? Child, she took me over there and we found the color stripper. Life freaking saver. This was a lifesaver. This is the Matrix So Color Eraser. When I tell you this stuff works miracles, took all the color out of my hair. I mean, even the permanent color, it just lifted it, and I was so happy. So I bought 3 of these and I used 2 of them, and this was just perfect because I already had the cream developer, the one that it tells you to use the 20 volume cream developer, and that's exactly what I had already bought. So we used 2 packs of this, put that bad boy in my hair, and it literally lifted in no time. Now the thing say 50 minutes to an hour. It did not take that long for my hair to change. I don't know what it is, but my hair definitely lifted fast, and I was blonde. I was so blonde. And after we rinsed it out, we all had clients, so like it was kind of like, okay, well now I gotta walk around looking crazy, because the blonde, it wasn't a cute blonde, it was just blonde. So after finishing my client, we went back and added the color. So the color I bought it's called Light Copper Low Light. It's the low light color. So basically you mix this with your highlights and stuff, so you have a little mixture. And this is by Pravana as well. It's the ColorSilk cream hair color with silk and keratin protein. So this color was perfect, and I feel like I've been this color before. I think it's like last January I was this color, because I'm always trying to be like this cute little it's like blonde, platinum blonde, this color, and like ash blonde, and it's so pretty. But every time I get ready to do it, for whatever reason, I end up dyeing my hair some funky color, or I put a weave in, I'm wearing a wig. I'm just not continuing with the process like I need to. But I mean, it's whatever. I love this color. It's so pretty, and I'm happy that my friends were able to help me make this work, because when I tell y'all, like, I literally, the emails were saying like natural hair color. I'm like, okay, so I need to dye my hair a natural hair color, because purple ain't natural. Even though I would love for it to still be purple, it's not a natural hair color, and I cannot wear this on these people's runways. Okay, so now the twist out portion of my hair. Listen, y'all, I did not know I had product left. I was like freaking out, and I'm like, I don't have nothing to twist my hair with. And I was like, I guess I'll just do like a wash and go, or I'm gonna have to buy something. And I really didn't want to buy something, because natural hair products are overpriced. I'm just gonna say it. I mean, if I go and buy some Aussie or just some regular like shampoo or conditioner out of a store and styling products, it's gonna cost me maybe $5. But when I go and try to buy something that's meant for my hair and meant to, you know, work specifically for my hair, they charging $10, $15, $20 for products, and I'm like, who has that kind of money to just spend on products? Like, my hair thick, I need a lot of it. Like, I can't just use like a little dime size drop in my hair and it's gonna lather up perfectly. No, I gotta squeeze that bad boy and get a good little glob of it, and then it works. Like, it's ridiculous. I wish it was priced better, because there are a lot of younger natural people, like young girls and young boys who are natural, and like, they don't have $15-20 to go to the store and buy products. You're putting that hurt on their parents' pockets, and it ain't even worth it like that. Like, honestly, like, if I was up to it, I'd mix me up my own stuff, but I don't have the time for it. I'm always so busy, so all I can do is buy. But I did manage to find me a product. Like, I didn't know I still had it, but it was my Mixed Chicks product, and this stuff works really, really well with my hair. I discovered Mixed Chicks like way before like it was popping in the stores. I had went to an event with my aunt, my mom, and my best friend, and they gave us like little sample packs of it. And when I tell you it's the only thing that makes my curl pop, it's the only thing that makes my curl pop besides the Main Choice products. But Mixed Chicks is what it is. So I used the Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream in my hair, and that's how I achieved my beautiful twist out. And of course I fluffed it for the show, so of course it didn't look like this when I first took the twist out. It's you know, you got to do some extra stuff, extra fluffing, get it some shape and whatnot, because like I said, I like my hair big. So yeah, so that's all I had to say about my hair. Thank y'all for watching my video. I really appreciate y'all. If you want to know what all these products are, and if you like want to ask your hairstylist about them, I will list them down below in my description box. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media pages. Those will also be listed in my description box. Keep up with my daily life, y'all. I'm real busy all the time. I'm always doing something, and I 9 times out of 10 try to post about it. So keep watching me, and this look here will be coming to you soon. So stay tuned in to my channel. Love y'all. Deuces.